Welcome back to WizKids TV. Today we're going to be washing these animals. Do you know what this animal is? This is a lion. Lions are known as the king of the jungle. They have a loud roar that can be heard up to 5 miles away. Let's give him a good wash. Lion. The next animal is a rhino. Rhinos are huge animals with very thick skin. They're actually quite shy. They use their horns to defend themselves from predators. Let's give the rhino a good clean. This is a rhino. The next animal we have is a monkey. Monkeys are excellent climbers and can swing from branch to branch using their long arms and tails. They're very social animals and live in groups called troops. Let's clean the monkey. This is a monkey. The next animal we have is a cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, capable of running up to 60 miles per hour. They have distinctive black tear marks on their faces. Do you know what color the cheetah is? It's yellow and black. Let's see what animal is next. This is a crocodile. Crocodiles are ancient reptiles that have been around for millions of years. They're excellent swimmers and can hold their breath underwater for a very, very long time. Can you tell me what color the crocodile is? Green. Let's see what animal is next. Can you have a guess? Do you know what this is? This is a giraffe. Giraffes have very, very long necks. They use their height to browse for leaves and buds on top of trees. This is a giraffe. Let's see what's next. This animal is a hippo. Hippos may look very slow, but they're actually very fast runners. And they're very great swimmers. They spend most of their time in water to keep cool. Let's give the hippopotamus a wash. I wonder what animal we have next. Can you have a guess what this animal is? This is a panda bear. Pandas are famous for their black and white fur. They love to eat bamboo and spend most of their time munching on it. Let's make sure the panda is very clean. Do you know what color a panda is? Yes, it's white and black. Panda. This is a bear. This is a brown bear. Bears are very strong and powerful animals. They love to hibernate during winter months, sleeping for very long periods to conserve their energy. Let's give the bear a good wash. This is a grizzly bear. Let's see what animal we're going to wash next. This is another lion. Do you remember what lions are? They are the king of the jungle. Let's make sure the lion is nice and clean. Do you know what color this lion is? He's orange. Lion. Let's see what we have next. I wonder what this animal is. This is a zebra. Do you know zebras are known for their black and white stripes, which help them camouflage and confuse predators? Each zebra stripe are unique, like human fingerprints. Wow! The zebra is all nice and clean. Zebra. The last animal we have is an elephant. Elephants are the largest land animal on Earth. They have very big ears that help them stay cool, and they use their trunks for eating, drinking, and even hugging each other. Let's make sure the elephant is nice and clean. Can you tell me what color the elephant is? Green. Thank you so much for learning about the animals with me. Please subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.